in this video I'll be unboxing this overhead mount, so it makes your video and photo easier. So as you guys can see right here, it is the overhead mount. Clearly you can see, so it's one tripod, one phone clip, and one ball head. So it's the overhead mount, and I'm not sure of the brand. I think it's SLE, I'm not sure, but here it is. Let's go ahead and unbox it. Unbox it real quick. Hope you guys are seeing everything clear and nice. So it is not that heavy, and right there everything comes out of the box nice and easy. And this is the mount right here. So here the back, nice and easy. Everything is nice and easy so far. This doesn't feel heavy. It might look heavy, but it's not. And I thought it would be a lot bigger, but it's not. And this feels good. This feels premium, guys. So I'm gonna look for where you put it to the table. So basically you're gonna just like put it to a table, like screw it out on a table and hang it over like how a microphone would have done. Let me know if you guys understand, but I'm gonna show you in a bit. So this is the grip right here. So you basically screw it on onto the table and pretty much easy, bada boom bada bing. So I'm guessing this part right here will go here like that. Let me screw it out, and like that it would go there, and I'm guessing you will just screw it in until it's tight. So it's pretty much tight right there. And this part here, I'm not sure what this is right here. Oh, this is for the tripod. Oh yeah, this is for the tripod. So I'm guessing this goes here like that, or you could use the phone mount and put it there, but I'm gonna go with the tripod mount because I'm gonna use this camera that is recording this video now. So I'll take it off in a few so you guys can see what's up. So there it is, bada boom bada bing. It is on. The grip is like this right here, and what I'm gonna do now is just gonna show you guys it on the decks. It's not gonna be how I'm gonna set it up, but you guys gonna get an idea. So here we go right now, guys. So let me take it off real quick. Alright guys, so this is my decks right here, as you guys can see. So what I'm gonna do is just go ahead and mount it to my decks real quick. So this part right here is gonna go there, and I'm gonna grip it up. So let me see if I can get it for you in the best time possible. So this is gonna be a bit tricky. I guess I have to just do it and then show you guys. Yeah, I'll do it and then show you guys because it will be really tricky to hold the camera and show you guys. That's why I'm getting this, so I don't have to do my overhead shots handheld again. So here we go. Alright guys, so here we have it. So basically it is mounted nice and tight onto the side of my decks right there. It is pretty nice and grippy, so right there. And then I'm just gonna hang my camera right here. So my camera is gonna be hanging right here, and it will give me some nice overhead shots, hopefully. So that's what I'm gonna do now, and then I'm gonna do a next unboxing of my, what do you call it, it's the mount for the camera. So because this DJI Osmo doesn't come with a threading for a tripod, so I'm gonna do that for you guys to see also. So stay tuned for that video, and I'll link it down below. So that's it for this video, guys. It was a pretty straightforward unboxing. Let me know if you guys have any questions in the comment sections, like something that you want me to clarify and all those stuff, something that I missed and all those stuff. But basically that is it right there. The arm is very flexible, can go there. So this should make my videos even more better. So that's basically it, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Until my next video, guys, I'll see you guys when I see you guys. Peace.